We never made elephant toothpaste, so we hope this will work. Now let's get started. These are the ingredients that we need. Soap, peroxide, warm water, yeast, and food coloring. We're going to put down the tablecloth to protect the grass. Okay. Do you need help opening it, Ella? Yeah, here, I'll try to. You dropped it. We're going to open it and put it on the area for elephant. Okay. Let's all spread it out. Here, you take that end. It's kind of tricky putting down a table. It's a little breezy, so we had to use rocks to keep our plastic down. I'm putting in half a cup of peroxide. I'm doing a fourth cup of dish soap. Okay. Now you put it in. We found this recipe online. It's turning out blue. I'm gonna put a few drops of food coloring, doing purplish, reddish. Now I'm gonna put a couple drops. Should we do two? I did 30. Now I'm gonna mix it. It looks so cool. You'll see it once it changes into a little bit of water. There. Then I'm gonna put in the yeast. That looks weird. It looks like tiny little worms. Yeah, it looks like pebbles. Do you know what it smells like? It smells like, I think it's those seeds for the garden, like seeds for a garden. We're gonna let it sit for 5 minutes so it can activate. For the yeast mixture and the other mixture. Oh, didn't do much. Elephant toothpaste is cool. That does look like teeth. It's really hot when it explodes, so don't touch it or it could burn you. We're going to try it again, and we're going to try to put in more food coloring to see if it makes the color better. Because this one was only white, and you want to feel it to be very, very, very colorful. Because you want it to look pretty. This is round 2. We're going to put in the same 2 items, dish soap and peroxide. Okay, she's putting peroxide. Now the dish soap, get it over the thing. And food coloring next. But I hope the teal works. Put a ton of it. Like way more. You put all of it. We're putting a lot more in, hopefully it's a darker color. Okay, we need to put all of it. We'll sit around and wait to mix it. I put that back quickly. We're going with the teal, so that's what it should be. And it's really dark blue, like navy. I'm worried that it's not like be teal. I'm worried it's going to be too much blue. Let's see if this works. Ooh. Looks like so. It looks like a head. It's so cooler than last time, I think. And it colors as blue. I think you had to wait like 2 minutes this time because last time bubbling. It looks kind of like one of those emojis. If you used a bottle or a beaker, it would come out with more force, but we just used a jar. If you put your hand by it, you can kind of feel the heat. Thanks for watching. Bye. Bye.